morning, students. Welcome to the e-class of chemistry. Today I am teaching ahead next topic our elevation of boiling point. You can see on page number which we left ahead on page number 50. Elevation of boiling point. What is that? Elevation of boiling point. Now in 11th we studied Vp increases with increase of temperature. Okay. Now it boils at the temperature at which its Vp is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Now for example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. After heating it is going to boil at 100 degree temperature, means if we are converting into Kelvin, that is 373.15 Kelvin. Okay, because at this temperature the Vp of water is 1.013 bar, means 1 atmosphere. Earlier I told you like that. Now in last section, in this chapter's last section, we learned that Vp of solvent decreases in the presence of non-volatile solute. Okay. Figure 2.7 depicts the variation of Vp of pure solvent and a solution as a function of temperature. I will show you this diagram. You can see solvents, boiling point of solvent, that is, I will explain you nicely. This is the graph of vapor pressure up to 1 atmosphere. This is the line, and temperature Kelvin. This is pure solvent by adding. This is of solution. Elevation of boiling point. Figure 2.7 depicts the variation of Vp at pure solvent and a solution as a function of temperature. Now for example, the Vp of an aqueous solution of sucrose is less than that 1.013 bar at 373.1 Kelvin. Now in order to make this solution boil, its vapor must be increases to this bar by raising the temperature above the boiling temperature of pure solvent water. Means we have to equal the vapor pressure. Thus the boiling point of a solution is always higher than that of boiling point of pure solvent. Okay, if water's boiling point is 100, then surely while adding solute to the solvent in water, the boiling point is going to increase, in which the solution is prepared as shown in diagram 2.7. Similar to lowering of vapor pressure, means vapor pressure is going to down. Okay, vapor pressure is going to down, but the temperature is going to increase. This is called the elevation of boiling point. Also depends on the number of solute molecules rather than the nature. Okay, means if I am adding 1 gram salt to the solvent, if I am adding 100 grams of salt in the solvent, so 1 gram of solute salt adding in 1000 ml of water is less than that of if I am adding 100 gram. More grams if I am adding, then their boiling point will be increased, their elevation matlab going to increase. A solution of 1 mole of sucrose in 1000 gram of water boils at 373.52 kilokelvin at 1 atmosphere. So let I think TB0 be the boiling point of pure solvent. TB is the boiling point of solution. Then the increase in the boiling point is delta TB, that is from solution to the solvent. We are going to minus. This relation is known as the elevation of boiling point. Okay, this elevation. See, in graph, this is TB0, this is TB, this is of solvent, this is of solution. So मान लो यहाँ if here it is 100 and this is 110. So from 110 we will minus 100. So 10 we are going to increase. So this is the solution, boiling point of solution is going to increase. This is called the elevation. Okay, follow? Now experiments have shown that for a dilute solution, the elevation of boiling point delta Tb is proportional to the molar concentration of solute in solution. Thus, delta Tb is directly proportional to m. This equation is 2.29. Delta Tb is equal to proportional. We will remove and we will add a constant that is called the Kbm. This equation is 2.30. Okay. Now to the next. You show this. See. Now here M means molality. Molality in the number of moles of solute directly proportional to in 1 kilogram of solvent, and the constant proportional Kb is called the naming boiling point elevation constant or molar elevation constant, otherwise hygroscopic constant. The unit of Kb is K kilogram per mole. In table 2.3, page number 50 through 3, values of Kb for some common solvents are given. I will show you. You see, in table 2.3, page 53, you see the molar water 373.15, ethanol. These are the boiling point in kelvins. Okay. Now, after showing the table, okay, in table 2.3 I have shown you. Now if W2 grams of solute of molar mass M2 is dissolved in W1 grams of solvent, then the molality of solution is expressed in M molality W2 upon W1 divided by M2 divided by 1000, that is equal to 1000 upon M2 into Wt upon W1. This expression is equation 2.31. Now putting the values, substituting the values of molality in equation 2.3, equation 2.3 ये थी, delta Tb is equal to Kb into M. By putting the value of M 2.30, Kb, M is equal to, already we derived 1000 upon M2 into Wt upon W1 2.32. M2, if we are, this is the equation of delta Tb. If we have to find out M2, then M2 will come here and delta Tb will come down. Then 1000 into Wt into Kb divided by delta Tb into W1. This equation is 2.33. Now thus to determine M2 means molar mass of the solute, we have to be known mass of solute in a known mass of a solvent. We should know the mass of solute, mass of solvent is taken, and delta Tb is determined experimentally for a known solvent whose Kb value is given. Okay, so this was the topic of elevation of boiling point. Means in water, if I am adding 100 gram 10 gram of salt or sugar, the boiling point of normal solvent or water is 100 degree, but if I am adding some solute to it, then the boiling point will be increased. Means it will boil at 110 or what. Okay, now I am doing experiment number, example number 2.7. 18 gram of glucose is dissolved in 1 kilogram of water in saucepan. At what temperature will water boil at 1.013 bar? Kb for water is 0.52 kilogram per mole. Now, first of all, we have to derive number of moles. Number of moles is equal to W upon M is equal to W means weight is given 18 gram. 18 gram is given. Molecular weight of glucose is 180. Derive weight is equal to 18 gram. Molecular weight of glucose is 180 gram. We have to find 18 divided by 180. 1 upon 10 mole is equal to 0.1 per mole. Now it is dissolved in 1 kilogram of water in saucepan. Means 1 kilogram of water means solvent is given 1 kilogram. So molality of glucose solution is equal to 0.1 per mole. Here we derive, and it is dissolved in solvent, that is per kilogram. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find for water, we have to find for water, we have to find Kb for water is 0.52 kilogram per mole, and so change in boiling point delta Tb is equal to Kb into M. Delta Tb is equal to Kb is given in example 0.52. It is multiplied by number of moles, molarity M. We derive 0.1 mole per kilogram. Then delta Tb is equal to 0.052 Kelvin. Now we have to derive at what temperature water will boil. Okay, water boils at 373.1 kilo at normal conditions, but it is of pure solvent Bp of water. So Bp of solution will be 373.15 plus which earlier we divided, that delta change, delta Tb, that we will add, that at this temperature the water will boil. Okay, so we solved this example. Now I am going to the next example on page number 52, that is example 2.8. The boiling point of benzene is 353.23 Kelvin when 1.80 gram of non-volatile solute was dissolved in 90 gram of benzene. The boiling point is raised 354.11 Kelvin. Calculate the molar mass of solute. Kb for benzene is given. Okay, what we have to do? First of all, we see delta Tb is equal to Tb minus Tb0. Delta Tb is given 354.11 and Tb0 is equal to 353.23 Kelvin. Delta Tb is equal to 0.088 Kelvin. How? See, from the example, you can see point. .353 pure solvent, 354 here, and we will get this change. Okay, now we have to derive M2. So putting the values in equation, M2 is equal to 1000 into 2 W2 into Kb upon delta Tb into W1. This equation we have to find, calculate molar mass of solute is equal to what? In equation 2.33, this is equation 2.33, putting the values from the given Wt, we have given 1000 into delta Wt and Kb. Kb is 2.53, then 1.8 gram multiplied by 1000 grams divided by 0.88 Kelvin and 90 gram weight is given, is equal to 58 gram per mole. So molar mass of solute is 58 gram per mole. Okay, putting all these values in equation, you will get what we have to derive. We derived calculate molar mass of solute. Okay, so students, today I taught you part 11 of lesson number 2 up to the page number 50 to 51 and 52. 3 pages I taught. That is very important. Elevation in boiling point. Very simple. From this diagram you can again see that it is going to increase. Normal, if I am thinking 100, then 110 means 10 is going to increase, but vapor pressure is going to decrease. Okay.